What is going on YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Eamon, and this is the page where we keep it 100% real about everything e-commerce. Now, as the curtain closes on 2023 and we head into 2024, I was thinking about this platform that we all know and love, TikTok Shop, and just sitting back and thinking about all the changes that I think are going to come to the platform. So I thought, hey, why not turn on the camera and tell you all about it? Now, just to preface, this video is based on my own personal opinions, my own personal thoughts, and my own personal predictions. This is not backed by TikTok Shop. No one at TikTok Shop gave me the intel on what's coming. This is all my own personal opinions. Before someone gets in the comments and start commenting, oh, he's lying to us about this, he's lying about that. These are my own personal opinions. Now, these opinions are founded on both my experience in e-commerce as well as also working in the industry. For those of you that don't know, yeah, unlike all these other influencers, I do have a 9 to 5. I work at a marketing automation platform. I'm not going to say the name in case that gets me in trouble, but I also work in e-commerce. So on a daily basis, I talk to multi-million-dollar brands in the e-commerce space, and I have my ear pretty tapped into what's going on all the changes and things of that sort. So this video, once again, is backed by my own personal thoughts. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, the first change that I think is coming to TikTok Shop, this one hurts me deeply, is that I think they are going to not push affiliate content as much as they did in 2023. Now, if y'all don't know, one of the main points I was always making in my early TikTok Shop videos is you guys need to try and get an affiliate account. You gotta figure out a way to get an affiliate account, either by your friends, build up to over 5,000 followers. And all of that, because in the beginning, guys, and being completely honest, I showed y'all the proof. Content posted on an affiliate account was just gonna go crazy no matter how bad it is. To be totally transparent, I posted some trash videos that would still get 10,000 views. And the reason why I wouldn't take a long time to, think of an idea to post or whatever, because I knew anything that I posted that was on an affiliate account, not my business account, was going to get at least 10,000. And that was true. The reason why I'm making this prediction is because it's already begun. Over these past few weeks, unfortunately, affiliate content, or on my affiliate page, which is my own personal page, I've went into this in detail in many of my others videos. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, definitely go check those out. But my content has really been plummeting in views. It's been a struggle to get over 10,000 views. The last time I was able to get over 10,000 views on my personal account was November 25th. So almost 1 month ago. Now, the good thing is I still got the business account. And what I've noticed is the business account has been getting way more views and traction than the affiliate account. On the business account, last week I had a video get 490,000 views. I had another video hit 100,000, which if you watch my earlier videos, I was always telling you guys, my business account cannot buy 10,000 views no matter what I post. So this change, I'm almost certain, is going to happen as we head into 2024. So you guys must prepare yourselves. Now, what a lot of TikTok Shop businesses were doing at the beginning of September, at the beginning of Q4 and Q3, was they were sending the products to any and every affiliate, no matter how shit their content was, and those videos did good. So with this change that's coming up, you need to be more aware of who you're sending your product to and who you're using as affiliates. I'm going to go into the solution to this problem towards the end of the video, so stay tuned. That is prediction number one, is that TikTok is going to stop pushing affiliate content. And the other reason for that is I'm sensing the TikTok users are getting tired of being sold to constantly. Now, a huge mistake that affiliates do when they create content for a brand is that they make it too salesy. They're always like, stop scrolling, go buy this right now. And I was like, you need to go buy this right now. And people are just getting really tired of that content. Like, I'll see in the comments, people are saying, get TikTok Shop off my For You page. I'm so tired of these kinds of videos. So TikTok is most likely, they're not going to completely tone down on TikTok Shop content on the For You page, but they're going to tone down on trash and lazy TikTok Shop content on the For You page, because the customers and the viewers of TikTok are getting tired of it. Change number two that I think is coming in 2024, guys, this one hurts me deeply, is I think they are going to tone down a lot on the coupons that they offer, as well as the free shipping. Now, we've already seen this start slightly because a few months ago, when I first started on TikTok Shop, they were giving people 70% off coupons and free shipping. There were times when they were giving 60% off, they were giving 50. Over the past few weeks, I've noticed them get a bit stingier with the coupons. I've been seeing a lot of 30% off almost over the past month and a half of just 30% off. And more recently, and this is the worst one, is that they've started taking off free shipping for everyone on their first purchase. Now, this right here is going to affect us pretty badly because if y'all have watched my videos, I told y'all charge like $10 for shipping because TikTok is going to subsidize it. So your customer is not going to pay for it, but then they're going to give you that money back to you, which increases your profit margins. Now, if these two things go away in 2024, it is really going to affect our margins because one, we can't price our products as high. As I've told you guys, you can price your products higher because customers get it for cheaper, so you have nothing to lose. And we're probably going to have to start, making shipping cheaper, like $3-4.99, or just absorbing it into the product cost, which at the end of the day is going to lead to less sales. Now, this prediction is actually not just my own. I watched a video of the Ecovision, one of their founders or one of their CEOs. If you don't know, Ecovision is like a supplement brand that has absolutely destroyed TikTok Shop. They've killed it. Hundreds of thousands of units sold in a very competitive industry. I mean, supplements is extremely competitive normally. They were early mover into TikTok Shop, so they're able to take advantage of it. Now, their CEO said that he has closer relations with TikTok Shop, and he said that they told him that starting in 2024, they're going to really, really tone back on all the coupons and the free shipping. His words were they're actually going to get rid of it all. Now, I don't think they're going to completely cut this off starting in 2024, but I think they're going to phase it out. So I think they're going to start taking away the free shipping first. Maybe they're gonna start reducing the coupons to maybe every once in a while 10% off, maybe even to just campaigns. But nonetheless, I mean, we still got 10 days before 2024 starts and before all of these subsidized benefits are gone, so you guys better hop on that right now and get started. But if not, I still got a solution towards the end of the video that's going to tie up all these problems and give you the way to succeed no matter what. And last but not least, change number three that is coming in 2024 is I think TikTok Shop is going to get even stricter with their violations, with chasing down people for copyright, with making sure you're hitting all your metrics at all times, as they try to make this a more legitimate platform. Now, if you scroll through TikTok Shop a lot like I do to, see the competition, see what others are doing, you're going to notice you find a lot of cheap copyrighted products like Taylor Swift sweaters, for example. I find anime stuff, I find Pokemon stuff all the time. Now, all of these kinds of products are probably going to get shut down by TikTok because they don't want problems with the copyright holders. Now, this is to be expected. They want to really, really clean up the platform. One thing that has already changed is over about a month ago or 2 months ago, you could actually make posts on an affiliate account that had commercial music. Now, even if you included the TikTok Shop link, you could literally make an affiliate video as long as it was on an affiliate account, not a business account, that used commercial music and would still have the link, which would give it an extra push in viewership and in the people that would be able to see it. They changed it to now if you want to use the link, you need to only use the royalty-free music that they supply you, which is absolutely shit music. Don't ever use that, by the way. The way around this is find TikTok sounds created by TikTok users that include the song that you want. A lot of people ask me this, they're like, wait, if it's a business account, how are you using this song? You just find TikTok users make sounds all the time that will have a Drake song, that will have a Kanye song, but it's their own sound. It's not the official commercial sound that is on TikTok, and that's the easy way around it. But besides this, the metrics are already strict. As you all know, the 3-day shipping, the cancellation, and all of that, they're probably going to get even stricter, man. But this is something that we can't do anything about and we can't change. We just got to ride with the punches. So, with that being said, guys, you're probably thinking now, all right, this guy just gave us a whole bunch of bad news for next year. I feel like shit. Is TikTok Shop even still worth it? It is 100% still worth it. And I'm going to tell you guys the solution to all of this. The key and the solution to all these problems that I told you guys is, as we head into 2024, try and build a legitimate brand on the platform. This means make sure you're creating good content. Build a community that is engaged and that recognizes your brand. If you use affiliates as product placement. Don't have them create content like, hey, go buy this sweater right now. Oh my God, you need to get it. But instead, have them wear your sweater as they're doing their Get Ready With Me, as they're doing My Day in the Life. As you build a community and you create content that fits the platform, you are no longer going to be competing on price, which is the solution to the coupon problem. Now, as everyone else starts to cheapen down their products because people can't use coupons anymore, they start losing out on customers. You, on the other hand, have built a brand that people recognize to the point where, hey, they'll buy from you because they love your content. It makes them laugh. They love the affiliate that you're using to, promote your products. They just saw her wearing the sweater. They loved it. Now they want to buy it. They're going to start going and making purchases from your site. So as we head into the new year, try and drop off the extreme dependency that we all have on TikTok Shop. Now in 2023, TikTok Shop was absolutely cracked. You could come on with a shit product, no legitimate brand, no one even knows who you are. Your video goes viral, you send it to a bunch of shit affiliates, they make a bunch of videos, now you have a whole bunch of viral content and you're getting hundreds of thousands of sales and you're making millions. As we go into the new year, all of that is probably going to be gone. So if you build a brand, people are going to know who you are. They're going to know what you sell. They're going to love your content. You're going to have more longevity. People are going to relate to it. You're going to have lifelong customers. And that's what we want. We don't want people just buying from our viral video and then we never see them again. We want someone who's going to buy from us time and time and time again, who's going to wait patiently for restocks. We're going to start looking at TikTok Shop as just one of our many different channels that we have. We're going to have our website. We might sell on Etsy, might sell on Amazon, and then we also sell on TikTok Shop. So it's like a big funnel that is going to drive your audience. Now, as more and more people start heading to your site as well, you can start collecting their email addresses, simple pop-up form. Y'all know about email marketing, man. Go watch a video about it. It's absolutely crucial in e-commerce. And it allows you to create customers for the long term who are going to buy from you time and time again. You can retarget them, can send them campaigns, you can set up automations. That's a whole nother story that I'm not going to go into. But hey, don't fret. 2024 is still our year. We're still going to kill it on TikTok Shop. We're going to kill it on Shopify. We're going to kill it in e-commerce. We're hitting 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 10 million. We're going to do it all this upcoming year. I believe in you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment. If you disagree with my predictions, let me know. If you agree, let me know. And tell me your own predictions down below. Thank you guys for watching.